welcome back to our online class. So as we were studying chapter 5 networking, so today's topic is uses of internet and different kinds of communication network channels. So today we'll be learning about how the internet has become the part of our life and where in which areas these are being used. As we know that we are using internet for each and everything, for sharing messages, for communicating with the people, for doing each and every work. So like your online learning is also going through the internet. So now which all departments, which all companies who are using the internet for their work? So the first one is the businessmen. Businessmen are using internet for sharing or communicating with their employees, sharing their information among themselves, and any kind of messages related to the companies, forming the meetings, doing video conferencing has been done with the help of internet only, right? Now the second thing is the media and the entertainment companies. They use internet facility or internet for their communication, for launching their audios and videos to the public. So whatever is the new songs, the new videos, these are being launched. So these are being launched by these companies, and obviously they are using internet so that it is visible, it is accessible all around the world. Now the third one is the email. Email is a helpful facility which gives us which helps us to share or any kind of information to our near and dear ones with the help of an email in a single second or in a single go. So once you want to share any kind of information to your near and dear ones, you can share with the help of an email facility. Apart from email, we have the different kind of apps also which gives us the advantage of sending the messages in a 1 second, like WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, many more are there. Right? Now the last one is the e-commerce. People are also doing businesses online where they buy, sell the products like Amazon.com website, eBay or Flipkart or Snapdeal. There are different kind of websites which do business buying and sharing online, and which that can only be possible if they have a good internet connection. So these are the areas where internet are being used, and many other things. Institutions are using that for the e-learning facilities. Schools are using internet for e-learning. Parents sitting at their home, they are also doing work from home. They are doing their businesses from home. Nowadays, ladies are also running different kind of shops, different kinds of groups online where they buy and sell products. So obviously, if there will not be any internet connection, it would not be possible. So these are the different uses of internet. Now moving forward, let us see how the network is formed. And when the computers are connected together, they form a network. But what are the things or what are the equipments that are used for forming the net? So now let us see the topic communication networks. As we know that when the computers or any devices, a group of devices are connected together, they form a network. Right? Network can be of two types. It can be wired network. It can be a wired network, or it can be a wireless network. So when the network is formed using cables, that network is called as a wired network. When the cables are being used for forming the network, that will be called as a wired network. There are different kind of cables which are used for forming the network, which are used for connecting the computer together to form a network, and those are, the first one is twisted pair cable. Second is coaxial cable, and the third one is optical fiber, or this is also called as fiber optics. Okay, so these are the three cables which are used for doing the networking, forming a network when there is a case of forming a wired network, where the communication is done, the signals are passed through wires. Among these three cables, this is a cheaper type of cable, cheap in cost, and the data transmission rate is very less. This is the average kind of cable which can be used. The data transmission is better as compared to the twisted pair cable. However, it is also not that much expensive. But optical fiber cables are the best cables around these three cables. They have the best quality for transmitting of data, very fast and expensive. Right? So these are the three wired cables, wired network, communication network channels. Now the second type of forming the communication network channel is wireless. Now wireless communication can be of 4 types. The first one is microwave signals. Second is radio wave signals. Third is the satellites. And the fourth one is obviously Bluetooth. So microwave signals are the signals which help you to transmit the data, which is applicable for transmitting the data on a single set of wire to the other channels. These are basically used in case of a satellite communication. Second are the radio wave signals, which are basically used, you can say the signals which is accessible in a through radio waves. And when you get the signals for FM radio, when you are listening to the FM radio, then you get the signals. Those signals are called as radio wave signals. The third one is the satellite signals, which are basically used for weather forecasting. The forecasting of weather which you see in your mobile or in a computer, which are live and which are, you can say, the current updates. Those are being passed through the satellites. Right? This is also kind of a wireless signal. The fourth one is the Bluetooth, which is helpful for sharing the data among the phones or from the phone to the laptops. So these are basically the wired and wireless form of communication network. Wired form is also called as guided media, and the wireless form of communication network is also called as unguided media. So if someone asks you what are the unguided medias for communicating over the network, so you can give the example of these 4: microwave signals, radio wave signals, satellite signals, and Bluetooth. And if someone asks you what are the guided medias, so you can say guided medias are also called as wired medias, where the transmission of information or communication is based on cables. And these are the 3 kinds of cables which are responsible for transmission of the data over the network: twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and optical fiber cables. Alright, I hope you have understood these 3 points: the uses of internet and the different form of communication networks. So now let us see some common protocols for forming the network. The common protocols which are used over the network are the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi. So the first thing is the Bluetooth, which helps us to connect to the different devices. Either it can be a PC to a mobile or a mobile to a PC for sharing of the data. So Bluetooth, you can say it's a kind of a telecommunication industry which gives us the facility to connect the different kind of PDAs, the personal desktop assistants, or the different mobiles are there which are having the facility of Bluetooth, which help us to connect both the devices together within a minimum range, and then the sharing of data and information can be done easily. Now, forming the connection with the help of Wi-Fi, what are the rules or what are the things which you will be requiring? The first thing is a broadband internet connection. So you need a best internet connection which is over your locality. Then you need a wireless router which helps you to transmit that connection, the internet connection, from the internet service provider to your personal computer or laptop. So you need a broadband connection, then you need a wireless router which will help you to transmit the connection of which is being sent through the internet service provider to your personal computer. You also need a laptop or a desktop with an adapter which will help you to connect to that router, and the signals can be transmitted and you will be able to use the internet facility. So Wi-Fi is the best way to connect yourself or for sharing the information among yourself. Suppose you are having, you can say, everyone is having a mobile nowadays at their home or computers. Now everyone is using internet connection as well. Instead of getting the internet connection recharged into your mobile phones or laptops, you can just get a simple internet connection or Wi-Fi and get an adapter which can be attached to a router, and the internet connection can easily be transmitted from the ISP to the PC or maybe your mobile phones, and it provides the best, you can say, range of getting the internet, and speedily you can search over the internet and speedily massively you share the information over the internet. The specific frequency range of Wi-Fi is 2.5 GHz to 5 GHz. The frequency range of Wi-Fi is, which varies from 2.5 GHz to 5 GHz, which helps you to communicate very fastly with the the information can easily communicated from the laptop or from the mobile to a PC. So ISP provider provides you the connection and you can easily transmit it to the PC with the help of these devices, with the help of the Wi-Fi connection. So these all are the facilities which are provided by Wi-Fi, and obviously Bluetooth is there for sharing the information, but that is very limited in range. However, Wi-Fi has a range of 2.5 GHz to 5 GHz, which will be more effective and helpful in transmitting the data easily and effectively. I hope you have understood the any kind of query, and if you have not understood any of the point, you can get back to me, or you can send an email on my email address, which is here. See the email address here. You can send the email on this email address. If there will be any problem and you practice, go through the video carefully and see the text in your book also. If there will be any mismatch or maybe any kind of information which is left, you can tell me. We will discuss it in the next video. Till the time, stay home and happy.